Chris, so what made you decide to sell the home?
Originally, I decided to sell the home. I just wanted to get back to friends and family over on the east side of the state.
Okay.
I had, I guess, tried my experiment out here, if you will. Had good times. I just feel like it was time to be back to people I kind of grew up with, if you will.
Nice. I know that you reached out to us, but before reaching out to us, what was your process in regards to, hey, I want to find the right person or the right team to sell my home? How did that look like?
I suppose in my head, the first thing I was thinking is finding someone who was at least local to me.
Okay.
And then it certainly helped that the shop our office was just down the road from me.
Okay.
But yeah, usually I guess maybe it's just the age of me, but Google is always a first start for most things.
Okay.
And so reviews were solid. Usually look back the last 6 months to see if there's any stragglers in the mix, and everyone was very satisfied. And Mike reached back to me seemingly instantly, so it seemed like it was a good fit just based on you guys being willing to come out, check out the space, see what I wanted to accomplish, and then kind of come up with a game plan.
So during the process of selling your home, at any point, was it stressful, different obstacles that you felt?
I suppose personally on my end, the more stressful moment of everything was accepting an offer and then determining what all needed to get completed, either inspections or appraisals to, I guess, appease that potential buyer.
Okay.
That was really stressful for me because it was kind of the only aspect of the whole process that was up in the air, basically.
Okay. Now, from looking at us as agents, what did you think of our communication in regards to every step of the way?
So communication was awesome. You, especially Mike, Devin reached out quite often via email. I felt like I was up to date with everything that was going on. So as far as communication goes, yeah, no, it was perfectly ideal. I think it would have been daunting trying to do this whole process on my own and try to navigate that. So that, having the whole team was huge for sure.
Thank you. If you were to come across someone that is looking to sell in, West Michigan or anywhere in Michigan, what would you say?
Based on my experience, I would for sure direct them at least to the Smallegan group to start.
Okay.
I've had a great time. You've been super helpful, and Mike throwing in the mix and just kind of getting everything nailed down and communicating between the buyer's agent and expressing, I feel, at least what I want to convey and get across and overall accomplish. I think that it was a huge help.
Well, thank you. Pleasure doing business.
No, of course. I mean, could not have imagined doing this by myself. That would have been a nightmare.
We had a little bit of suspense, but
For sure.
I believe it went pretty smooth and it was exciting at times too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because we hit we reached the goal line.
Well, it was the initial offers that came in, and it was kind of one of those like, do we know how the approach is going to work until that happens? And then seeing all of it come in and seeing how, obviously everyone was above what we initially asked, and nothing was too crazy. I mean, it was solid earnest deposits where people were actually serious about looking at the home, and it was exciting to see that someone can kind of take over my little bit of landscaping and.
Yeah. It was, I think, yeah.
I mean, honestly, at the beginning of this, I was like, are we even going to be able to sell this house? Just given the market and how, everyone was reacting.
I felt that the pricing and the staging, everything, I think that set up everything else.
Makes sense. I mean, all the comments were, you priced it perfectly, or comps around the area were not as nice, or...
Yeah, and you got a nice location too, Northview Schools.
It does help, yeah. We're banging on that one.
Yeah, that was the icing. That was the icing in the cake.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know on your end if it was difficult with the buyer's agent or if it was just kind of regular business.
I think it was regular business.
Because I think you had said you'd done something with that lady before.
Yes, one of them I have. The one, I mean. Every one of them have possessed a different challenge.
Fair.
Meaning positive and negative.
Oh, yeah.
It's just really navigating. At the end of the day, I was thinking of what you're looking to get.
True.
And how can we get there? And then talking to each one of them and be like, okay, how can we get you what you want? And we have 5 options, and that's really all I did. And
yeah, I mean, I don't think the sales price was going to get any higher than what we got, to be honest.
And I think it was right on point. I mean, we went a little bit over still.
But all the other homes that I saw around the area that were sold or being sold at the same time, either sold at list cost or maybe $5,000 above. So we got... like 5-6% more? They're happy, we're happy, so I'd say that's a win-win.
And now we're done.
Crazy.
Yeah, that fast.